Hi guys, your girl is back with another wonderful review. I bought this mini blender in August. You can see it in Amazon. If you Google it on Google, you also see the blender. I think this blender from Ninja is trending right now. Although this blender is so nice. For a while now, I've been looking for something simple I can take to work because I love to have my smoothie in the morning. Whenever I blend smoothie and take it to work, before you know it, when I want to have it, you start smelling. I was looking for something that I'll buy. I can use it to blend something at work with no stress at all. So I saw this blender online and I'm like, I'm going to buy this blender. I bought it for £49. It's not that expensive. So it's just for your day-to-day activities. If you are doing exercise, it's good. Let's just open it and see how it is inside. Ooh, I love this. Wow, this is amazing. I love it. Ooh, I love the handle. Wow, guys, this is wonderful. So this is the cover, and when you blend it, when you blend your smoothie, your fruit, you can just hold it like this and you drink. Very easy. Oh my gosh, this is wonderful. I love this. I can't wait to try it. Oh my god, see how it is. And I think this is waterproof because it's a charging blender. You can charge it. It's not something you start looking for where to plug it and blend. You charge it from home. Make sure it is full and then put it in your handbag. You are good to go. So guys, and then this cover here, I think is for this. So if you want to detach it from this place, you can just cover it like this. Let's see how it goes. And then that is it. This is nice. I'm loving this right now. So let's see what's inside again. This is the charger. And then this one, what is this? Oh, so when you're done blending, you can also cover the mouth of the blender. Wow, this is so nice. Okay, it's time for us to try this blender and see how it works. Let me just pack up all this stuff and then we try the blender. I'm just going to quickly rinse it out and then I use it to blend something for you guys to see. Since it's a new blender, I need to rinse it out before I make use of it. Yes, I'm back. So first thing first, I just need to fix this here and then get my banana. I'm going to be blending the banana, cucumber, and my favorite vegetable, spinach. So I just put them in the blender. So whenever I'm going to work, I'm just going to get them ready like this. I cover it and that is it. When I need it, I'll just blend it. Simple. I love using milk to blend. So I'm going to be adding milk. I think this quantity is enough for me. Then cover it up. This is the most exciting part, guys. Let's turn it on and see how it works. So when you turn it on, the purple light, when it becomes steady, then it's ready to be used. So when you're done blending, you can just press here again and then you stop it. So the most exciting one is you can use this blender like this. Once you're done blending it, just click on this place and then that is it. You are good to go. And one good thing about this blender is not heavy. It's very, very light. And then if you don't want to use it like this with the bottom of the blender, you can as well take it out. This one is the one that is more interesting for me. Just turn it like this and you can see it's not leaking at all. And then just gently open this place. Keep it aside and then use your cover. Cover the bottom of it. Wow, how cool is this? It's where this comes in now. You can just cover this. Just because you don't want your handbag to get dirty, you just put it inside your handbag. Simple. And one good thing about this, for you, maybe you might be worried if you rinse it out at some point, it's going to get spoiled. This is waterproof, but don't use it in a dishwasher machine. It's already written here, don't put it in dishwasher. You can wash it, it's waterproof, and this is what makes this blender so amazing, guys. Let me know what you think about this blender in the comment section. If you would love to purchase this blender, you can buy it in Amazon. I might be leaving a link just to make it easier for you to find it. I don't have a shop in Amazon where I sell things, but sometimes when I do review like this, I'll just share the link on where I bought it so you can buy it as well. If you live in United Kingdom, you can buy it in Argos shop. This is why I bought this one, but I've seen it in Amazon shop as well. You can purchase it there as well. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching this video. See you on my next review. Bye.